You tell me, is that overexposed? You'd like to see more of it?
I wouldn't mind more, and I'm sure lots of your female fans wouldn't. But tell me something, Shah Rukh. Many would say that the biggest entertainers in India today aren't just actors, they're politicians. What do you think?
They could be, but I said before, they are entertainers, they are intelligent, they are smart, but actors just happen to be better looking, that's all.
So why can't we have you in politics? I think we need better looking politicians.
Well, you need intelligent politicians too. I'm not so intelligent. You give me a line, I can say it. I can't write my own speeches or lines.
Okay, I'm not sure all politicians do. But tell me, Shah Rukh, we keep talking about the camps. When you give an award for Indian of the Year, really means someone who cuts across all boundaries, all films, all states and boundaries. What do you think lies in your what's the secret behind your universal appeal?
I don't know. I think I've just, to be really honest, and I really myself don't know. I have always wondered, for 17 years I've been working, and what could be right about me. So I don't have a mantra except for, what is the cliched known answers, that I work hard, I'm very, very honest, I love my family, I try to entertain as many people as I can, and of course pay my taxes in full.
Another message as the finance minister, but let's just throw open this to the audience. Any questions for Shah Rukh?
So I'm normally the person who's asked the questions, but tonight I've been asked to ask a question. And unlike the rest of you, I'm going to keep it simple. What's one piece of advice you have towards politicians?
I'm glad it's such a simple question. Yeah. One piece of advice, all the politicians will follow and we'll have a wonderful country. And look who you asked. I lie and cheat and do deceit for a living. I'm an actor, so I'm all show, nothing really concrete inside me. But, I'd like to say I have a huge amount of respect for people who run the country or who have it in their hearts to run the country. It's a very selfless service. And as the younger people are coming, Rahul, though I think you're also not young anymore. Now we're getting toddlers into politicians. But I think the only idea would be that, just work honestly and have pride in your nation. Love the country, and we have a wonderful, wonderful country. So let's not take money under the table. And, let's not do shady stuff. If we do it right, we all going to make money, we all going to be happy, and we all be a great and very proud nation. So my advice to all the politicians is... please be as honest as realistically possible.
It was Southern actor Rajinikanth who really was the entertainer of the year, as he and King Khan stood opposite each other. Shah Rukh Khan said that he had a thing or two to learn from the big hero.
Let me ask you, Rajni, you've always felt that when it comes to recognizing Indian cinema, it always becomes very Bollywood-centric, and not a lot of people outside of South India know that you're one of the highest paid actors in India.
Who said I'm a highest paid actor?
You're saying that because the finance minister is here, but, but we know that you're a superstar, not just in the South, but all over the world. You have a following as far as Japan. But do you feel that the South doesn't get enough of a recognition when it comes to recognizing Indian cinema?
Now it started actually. People started recognizing the South Indian films and South Indian technicians and artists. Yeah, and thanks for the media actually. The media actually, you are showing how big South Indian film, how important South Indian technicians and everything.
Rajni, let me ask you the one question that every journalist has been trying to ask you for years and not even getting access. What about politics? When are you going to formally take the plunge? I know you've made many endorsements in the past to different parties, but when are you actually going to dive in?
See, actually, I believe in destiny. So actually, day for yesterday, I don't know today I'll be here. I don't know what will happen tomorrow. But anything, I believe in God, and whatever God says me, orders me to do, I will do.
That's a very politically correct answer. How do we read that? Does that mean DMK? Does that mean AIDMK? Does that mean the Congress?
No, actually, God has given a role, an actor role. I'm doing it. If he gives me a politician role, definitely I will do it.
Okay, so you're not ruling that out.
I told you destiny. I don't know
you're
anything
saying,
about it.
you're saying it's destiny. All right, Rajni, there are many people I'm sure who want to ask you questions, but maybe we can get someone from, in some ways, the Hindi film fraternity to put a question to you. Karan Johar.
Yeah, hi.
Go ahead.
Good evening, sir. I just want to say this is truly an honor. I have two questions. My first one is that, is there anything Rajni can't do? Well, that was
I think
actually
that's an answer,
a
probably.
compliment, but it was in the garb of a question. My second question is that, who do you regard as an actor par excellence from the Bombay film fraternity?
Amitabh Bachchan.
Okay, you said that in the past as well. You said that you're the Badshah, but he's the Shahenshah.
He's Shahenshah, yeah, real Shahenshah.
All right, well, we've also got another Badshah in the audience. I don't know if...
Shah Rukh.
Shah Rukh, you want to ask Rajni a question?
You insist. What does one do to become Shahenshah, sir?
Shah Rukh, I'm telling you, one day definitely will become Shahenshah. God bless.
He had a chance to ask you a question. Is there a question that you'd like to pose to someone like Shah Rukh, or have something to say to him?
For Shah Rukh?
For Shah Rukh, yes.
No, he's an excellent, excellent actor. And one thing actually, what I liked him in his integrity. And no, he's so serious about our Indian, to promote our Indian sports, that is hockey, that is hats up to you.
Yes.
I saw the picture that Jagde. And really, I will try to do that kind of role, Shah Rukh. I will expect, I will get that kind of story, that kind of subject.
Thank you very much. Though I'm noticing you're only talking about my sports, not my acting, but God bless you. It's a joke, but it's a great honor to see you, sir.
Yes.
It's a wonderful honor and a moment of pride for all of us here, especially film actors like me. Really, really wonderful to see you live and amidst us, and thank you for being here.
Wonderful.
Thank you, Shah.
Well, moving on to some other news now, and if the UP